withdrawing money from your Wells Fargo account to transfer it to another bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers option in the main menu. Click on it to access the transfer options available for your account. Step 3. Select the transfer type. Choose the option for transferring money to another bank account. This may be labeled as external transfer or transfer to other bank. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Fill in the required information, including the amount you wish to withdraw and the details of the external bank account. Ensure that the account number and routing number are accurate. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit the transfer request. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the transaction. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your other bank account. Always check your account statements to verify the transfer has been completed successfully.